So tiny I would accidentally inhale it. Y'all ever went mini shopping at a mini grocery store? Shopping list for today: an iPhone, an iPad, and water. You can get those at the same store? Yeah, it's called Target. Hey, they don't have them on the shelf like that. They got iPhones and iPads and PS5s just on the shelf like that. This has got to be the safest neighborhood on earth that they trust their customers not to steal these. Every single Target, Walmart that I have ever been to, they got them locked up. Oh, time to check out. I'll make it rain on the cashier. I mean, that is a lot of money. It's very expensive. Put them in the grocery bag and time to go home. That was a very fun experience. I was gonna say mini watermelon. Is it not done yet? It's just a baby. It's not ready yet. Cracked that open a little too easily. They stuck their thumb in there and it's just like cracked open? Are they that weak? I mean, it's red, therefore it must be sweet, right? And they still got seeds in there. The other day I was having a heated discussion with my sister about why they don't have actual seedless watermelons. After years of trying to make a perfect melon, they still have seeds. Even the seedless ones still have seeds. And then I was like, wait, if they made a watermelon with no seeds, how would you make new melons? It's like, wow, the perfect seedless watermelon. But it has no seeds, so how will I make more? This will be the end of the watermelons. The bloodline ends with that perfect seedless watermelon. In their wall, they have a tiny door that leads to a room. Wait, we got a whole house inside here? Who's living in here? Don't show me a rat. No? Nobody? Vacant? Oh, the rat's living inside your walls about to be ballin'. There is a whole nother floor. Maybe he's upstairs. It's like a super cozy house with a TV and everything in a hole inside your wall.
I walk into my daughter's room and I see this.
It's like a mini store.
She's good for a whole month then.
Are those her groceries? Why is the mustard gold? Is it a rare item? Exotic mustard. Imagine if you could actually eat these. How long would this grocery list last you? I mean, half of those are seasoning. What are you gonna do? Season the cream cheese? Make a little cup of Jello? Wash it down with the 2 bottles of relish? Oh, they got Baby Bell in there. It looks like there's a lot of food, but there actually isn't. Half of those are taco seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, Kool-Aid, Baby Bell cheese, cream cheese, crackers, 3 mini bottles of milk, or they could be bleach. I don't know. Drink at your own risk. Some garlic bottles, more seasoning, barbecue sauce. Oh, they got the little mini pizza bagels. Yeah, never mind. You're set. When I tell you they have everything mini these days, even a washing machine. Oh, it's even Miele. And it has buttons that are functional? Really? I thought those are fake. And you could use it to wash your beauty blender. It actually came out clean. There's also a dryer. You just pop it right in. Came out brand new. Take my money. I'm gonna need one of those. Does the dryer also have a mini lint collector that you pull out? We've all seen the Coke and Mentos experiment, but with mini Mentos and a mini Coke, you telling me there's actually juice in that thing? I mean Coke. No, there's nothing in that bottle. I refuse to believe it. Nah, she cut the video and filled it up. Nah, you ain't slick. I mean, you are, but pop a Mentos in there. It just made it fizzy again. You know, sometimes it do be like that. If your Coke goes flat, just pop a Mentos in there and it'll like re-fizz. For those who like their soda spicy. They are serving the tiniest little burger and fries. Oh, from Wendy's. And you got the Frosties. And somebody ate all their fries already. So I don't know why I thought that dog was real for a hot second. You know, I can never tell with those dogs. They look like dolls. Even the real ones look like dolls. Set the table with some mini burgers so the invisible people can eat. But what about the dog? This guy made a whole town out of Legos.
All right, bud, welcome to the collection. On the shelf you go. I'm in severe credit card debt.
Buildings, cars, streets. Like, is it based off of a real town? I don't know. Oh, what happened here? They get in a little scuffle? Where are the Lego police to help them? Nah, this Lego Gotham City. How to make a tiny trash bag.
All you'll need is some trash bags and some scrap paper. With the paper, you just rip up into small pieces and that will act as the filling for the inside of your trash.
And then just fold it up, twist it up. Whoa! That actually looks really good. I never thought I would say a trash bag looks good, but here we are, admiring this handful of garbage. Nice. Me knowing my mini kitchen account won't blow up. Time to pop a Chucky milk. Chucky milk make the pain go away. They make the tiniest little Chucky milk. Oh, they even have tiny straws. But are they plastic? Why does the milk jug look so dirty? It doesn't even look like milk. Milk or white paint water? Because that does not make the pain go away. So we'll actually put you in the hospital. She is making a mini rug. Oh, I already know that's Kirby. Usually people do it with like a yarn gun. Is that what it's called? A rug gun? Yarn gun? I don't know, but she's doing it by hand. That's a lot of work. Oh, it came out perfect. It's so cute. I can't imagine how long that must have taken, but worth. I know a rug is meant to be like stepped on, but do you not feel bad stepping upon Kirby's chubby cheeks? Using my mini blender for pre-workout shots. Oh, she wasn't kidding, it's tiny, but does it actually work? Put the pre-workout in some water and it's actually functional. It's battery powered. So you can just like make mini smoothies wherever you go. Look at the blades, they're made of plastic. Not very powerful. Could not even blend a single banana slice. But mix? Yes. I would feel so fancy drinking straight from the blender.
Run to Target.
Getting the incredible iPhone 13 without T-Mobile makes as much sense as playing hide and seek.
Ready or not, here I come!
In the desert.
Really, guys?
T-Mobile has more 5G bars in more places. And now, when you switch, you can get iPhone 13 on us and 1 year of Apple TV Plus for free.
You're not gonna fit in that hole.
Don't look any further. Unlock the full power of iPhone 13 on us at T-Mobile.
There's perfect.
Over there?
So tell us what happened.
I got kicked from the guild for lagging out like a dozen raid.